The Rivers State Command of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps don parade 10 suspects for pipe vandalism and illegal oil refining. The Rivers State Commandant of the Corps, Basi Igweboeze, tok say the command seized over 28,225 litres of illegally refined diesel wey dem pack for inside drums and cellophane bags for inside different motor. Igweboeze yarned this one for one talk meeting with Tori people. He constantly tok say collabo with other sister security agencies contribute to their success and say dem go charge the suspect go court while the appropriate authorities go take over the illegal products and other things wey dem seize from the suspects. Igweboeze send warnings to all other Tifi Jankoriko people, say make dem remove hand and body from the nation's assets, otherwise they no go escape the wrath of the law.
The NSCDC Rivers State Command is hereby parading 10 suspects for vandalism, oil theft, and illegal dealings in petroleum products. The command's anti-vandalism unit has impounded 9 vehicles, 8 cars, and a bus laden with illegally refined automotive gas oil (AGO). We have 15 drums, 11 kegs or 25 litres each filled with AGO, while others are concealed in cellophane bags. Sequel to the long-existing relationship between NSCDC and other sister agencies, via our prosecuting powers, statutorily backed up by the law, we have taken delivery of 44 metal pipes, 4 cylinders containing nitrogen gas, a wooden boat with 25 horsepower engine from the Military Intelligence Headquarters of C Division, Nigerian Army, Port Harcourt. In addition, 3 motorcycles, 1,000 meters large industrial pumping hose, and 5 subjects were handed over to us by 29 Battalion, Nigerian Army, Alakere. Please be rest assured that thorough investigation will be conducted and diligent prosecution will be concomitantly followed. This will definitely serve as a deterrent to other illegal activities around our pipelines and other national critical assets. The command, through her legal unit, will approach the court of competent jurisdiction for legal details of the impounded 28,225 litres of AGO and other motorcycles, while the proceeds will be remitted appropriately to POCA, Proceeds of Crime account. Our commitment to rid the state of criminalities and other illegalities will not be relented on.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Rivers State, A. Carter Ojesole, TMC TV News.